Hey people, you see that red flashing light on the screen? Looks like a key. Looks like a lock and a key. That is what is on the new vehicles showing if your alarm system is set. Now, a lot of people are saying that they've never seen this on their dashboard before, and it suddenly appeared. The fact is, it didn't suddenly appear. This has probably been on your dashboard since the day you got the car, but you just didn't know it because you weren't aware. You just didn't notice it. But these things have been out on cars for years. This is a Toyota Prius. This shows that not only is the built-in alarm system activated, I'm in the car right now with the windows rolled down, but it shows that the immobilizer is on. The immobilizer, even though I've got the fob next to this, the immobilizer completely shuts the car down so that it can't be jumpered, it can't be started up unless you press the start button. The start button is going to talk to the fob, make sure that it's got the right signal, that it's legit, and then it will start up the car. So people on the internet, people are saying, I've never seen this before, what is it? This is exactly what it is. Let me try to keep this in focus if I can. This is exactly what this is. Again, it is either in a red color, it might be in a blue color or white color on your dashboard. It is on almost all of the new vehicles out today. Some people are saying that their car battery is draining. This does not cause your battery to drain. This uses a fraction of a milliamp to run this LED. This thing could run for years and your battery would not be affected. So this is not causing your battery to go dead. Some people are saying that they can't start the car. If you can't start your car and this is flashing, what you need to try to do is change the batteries in your fob, see if that works. If you have a beeping sound, the beeping sound might be saying that the car can't start and you need to change the fob batteries. Change the fob batteries, see if everything works. If it does, you've solved the problem. If it doesn't, this is not really something that your average mechanic is going to be able to take care of. When you're dealing with the immobilizer, this is a dealer problem usually. So people that are leaving comments saying the alternator is not working or the battery's dead, it is not caused by this. This system doesn't cause that. Other people have said you need to go out and check your fuses or change the fuses. Most of that stuff is just bogus. This is strictly a light saying the immobilizer or the alarm is activated. This is no different than when you look at a vehicle that has a little flashing red LED on the dashboard and you know the alarm system is working. This is the same thing. This is just a light telling you that the alarm is running. The alarm is active at all times. So with these new cars, with the other cars, you would shut your car, you'd close the door, and the alarm would be active. With this, the immobilizer is active all the time unless the car is running. So if you see this, that's what it is. Not a problem. Probably been going on for years and you never noticed it. Hopefully this video helped you. Please do a thumbs up, subscribe, like, share, comment. I know everybody says that nobody does the thumbs up, and it really helps out my channel a lot. So do that thumbs up. If this is valuable to you, ask for my PayPal. You can leave me a couple $1 billion donation as a thank you. What else is there? This is a review channel. If there's something you need reviewed, let me know. I'll do the review for you. So once again, this is a Prius, but this is in all of the new vehicles nowadays. A flashing light. Some of them are the immobilizer. Some of them are just saying that the car has the alarm activated. Don't freak out. Definitely don't freak out. Make sure you share this video with 1 billion people. Let's make this go viral, everybody. Thanks for watching.